Aloha everyone, and welcome to your Hawaii Tropical Update for Monday, September 8th, 2025. Big news this week. Hurricane Kiko is spinning in the Pacific, and while it won't make landfall, it will impact us. Expect very high surf on east-facing shores and an uptick in tropical showers. The most dangerous winds will stay well north of the islands, so no need to worry about hurricane-force gusts. Today brings a brief break with sunshine and drier air, but that won't last long. By this afternoon, long-period swells from Kiko will start arriving, kicking off a period of unsettled weather that peaks Tuesday. The main threats: large, dangerous waves and a surge of tropical moisture. Coastal hazards will be highest along east-facing shores. Please use caution if you live or play near the water. I'll break down the timing for surf and rain, and which islands will see the biggest impacts. Stay informed, be prepared, but don't panic. Conditions will improve by Thursday. Let's dive into the details so you and your ohana can stay safe this week. Here's what you need to know. Oahu and Kauai, you're waking up to much improved weather this Monday. Lingering weekend moisture is finally moving out, bringing more sunshine and drier air. Enjoy this brief window of pleasant weather and gentle breezes. It's the calm before Kiko's indirect effects arrive. By this afternoon, you'll notice building surf along east-facing shores as Kiko's energy approaches. This dry air is only temporary. A deeper plume of tropical moisture is on the way. Humidity and the chance for heavy showers will increase tonight. Today is your transition day. Enjoy the sun, but prepare for rapid changes. By tomorrow, Kiko's influence will be felt statewide, bringing a much different weather pattern. Make the most of today's break before the storm's impacts arrive. Hurricane Kiko remains a strong Category 2 storm, with winds near 105 miles per hour, about 550 miles east of Hilo. The official track keeps Kiko well north of the islands, so the risk of damaging winds here is very low. By Tuesday, Kiko should weaken to a tropical storm as it nears its closest approach. Our main concerns: high surf and heavy showers, not wind. Massive swells from Kiko will hit east-facing shores while deep tropical moisture increases humidity and fuels downpours. Stay updated. Any shift in Kiko's path could change impacts. For now, prepare for rough surf and rain, especially on Tuesday. The biggest threat from Kiko is the high surf arriving on our east-facing shores. Powerful swells will start building this afternoon, creating hazardous conditions for swimmers and surfers. A high surf advisory will likely be issued today, escalating to a high surf warning by Tuesday. Expect dangerously large waves, strong rip currents, and significant coastal run-up. Stay out of the water on east shores. Coastal flooding and erosion are possible, especially during high tides. Secure loose items near the shoreline now. The surf will peak Tuesday, with hazardous conditions lasting into Wednesday. Even as waves subside, the ocean will remain rough. Heed all warnings from lifeguards and officials. When in doubt, don't go out. It could save your life. This is not the week for ocean adventures on the east side. Stay safe and alert. Here's the surf breakdown. East-facing shores will see surf jump from 4 to 6 feet today to 12 to 18 feet by Tuesday. Life-threatening conditions. This applies to all islands' east shores from the Big Island to Kauai. North and west shores will stay relatively calm with only minor increases in surf. South shores have a separate small swell, manageable for experienced ocean-goers. The main danger is concentrated on the east. Avoid these areas through Wednesday. Share this info with friends and visitors unfamiliar with local ocean risks. Knowing where to go and where to avoid is key to staying safe. The difference between east and other shores will be dramatic. Kiko will also bring a surge of tropical moisture, making the air humid and sticky from tonight through Wednesday. Expect scattered downpours, especially Tuesday, with the heaviest rain in the afternoon. Localized flooding is possible. Watch for ponding on roads, especially in low-lying areas. The Kona coast of the Big Island could see particularly heavy showers. There's a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms Tuesday. Monday is a transition day. Drier air early, humidity and showers building by evening. By Tuesday, the entire state will feel muggy with scattered heavy showers. This wet pattern will start to ease by Wednesday afternoon. Drier, more stable air returns Thursday, bringing back our usual trade wind weather. The unsettled rainy period will be brief, about 36 to 48 hours. Safety is the top priority as Kiko approaches. Stay out of the water on all east-facing shores from this afternoon through Wednesday. Surf and rip currents will be life-threatening. Avoid walking near rocky ledges or coastal areas where waves can wash over unexpectedly. Heavy downpours Tuesday could cause road issues. Never drive through flooded roads. Allow extra travel time and watch for ponding in low spots. Stay informed. Forecast tracks can change, so keep your phone charged and monitor local news for updates. Share accurate information with neighbors and visitors. Remember, these impacts are temporary. Dangerous surf and rain will ease by Thursday. Drier air and sunshine will return for the end of the week. Look out for one another and stay prepared. We'll get through this together. Stay safe and aloha. See you on the other side with calmer seas and clearer skies.